Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another moto vlog. Anyway, I'm about 10 minutes out of my campsite. Looks like NYC Scrambler picked a great place because we're only 10 minutes out and there's like a lot of stores and like motels even or grocery stores everywhere, so whatever we need we can get it easily, so that's great. And bike is doing great, I'm doing good too. It's only a about a 100-mile ride, but feeling great, not that sore, not cramping up. I do have to pee though, but that's a good thing. I gotta drink some more water when I get there, otherwise I'll be dehydrated. But oh look, there's a Dairy Queen, perfect. Can get some ice cream later. Oh shit, did I just do that right in front of the cops? Okay, they're not paying attention. Oh, that's a nice diner. But yeah, small towns, this is nice. I'm on Route 9. Actually could have taken this all the way up, like went through Manhattan and then just got on Route 9 and came all the way up, but as you can see there's a lot of cars. Saturday people are out running errands and whatnot, so I'm glad I hopped on the highway because I made great time. At times I might have been going a little too fast than I should have, but that's how it is when you ride a motorcycle. Wow, they got everything. Nice. Yeah, because I'm only 5 miles out of the camping site, so riding 5 miles to get whatever we need just in case is not bad at all. Oh god, this is killing me. This traffic. El Guacamole Mexican Grill. Come on, sir. Please. May I have some more of that miles per hour? That's a really old home. Wow. Wow, look at that house. Woo. These structures are so old. That's a weird name for a funeral home. Suites. Nice little farmer's market over there. Oh, this is so cool. Check that out. They even have a museum over there. Historical Society. New Hyde Historical Society Museum. Stay behind that guy forever. That's a mansion, Vanderbilt mansion. Oh shit. Can we see it from here? Wow, it goes super in. Holy crap. That's that old money, son. Wow. Imagine living in that. can see the finish line. Woo! You know, I'll be honest, I was a little nervous about coming this far by myself. This is like the longest I've ridden by myself. But I have to say, it was a lot of fun. And it's nice, you know, give me time to bond with my bike, stretch its legs. It's so nice not having to ride from light to light, you know, like I usually do. Just relax, take it easy. A lot of bikers out today too. All seem to be very friendly. That's a nice development over there. I don't know, you know, like, part of me, I'm always like, if I get a job that I can do from home, I will move out, like, you know, move out of the city into the country and stuff. But the thing is though, I have a feeling I might be super bored, you know. Like, yeah, in the summer I can ride the bike and go explore and ride on country roads. That'll be fun, but what about the winter? Like, I don't really do winter sports. I can't ski. I can't snowboard, and I tried, I sucked really bad at it. So I mean, maybe I should just keep trying, because if I don't do anything fun in the winter, I'll be bored. Oh wait, I'm so stupid. I can get a snowmobile or something. Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe I should move to the countryside. I'm sure rent is definitely cheaper, you know. I'm sure quality of life is better. But you know, the city has all these amazing restaurants and all these things that we can do. Like, I can get sorry, the GPS cut me off. Yeah, I mean, you know, like, even at 2 o'clock at night, if I'm hungry, I can go out to get something to eat, you know what I mean? And I have like a selection of things I can get. Nope, not here. Although I think I could have. Oh, fuck. What the hell, GPS? I could have went there. Almost here, guys. Almost here. Oh, I'm so excited. This looks pretty nice. We're at camping site number 10. Look at this bridge. Oh no, actually, yeah, that's a train track. So that's what everybody was talking about. People are complaining, saying that you can hear a train going. I gave that guy a nod. He didn't wave back. I thought people in the countryside are more friendly. look at this. Nice. Ah, it is chilly. I'm glad I brought an extra jacket with me. Oh, and I have service. How nice is that? Now I just gotta find these guys. Where the hell is this? Is 48, 49. Uh-oh.
A few inches later.
Sorry, I was really quiet there for a second. I'm trying to figure out where are we at. Dirt roads. Oh boy. Okay, 26, 45. There he is.